Hello students, welcome to another class of mathematics. Today we are going to deal with factorization. I hope you have seen my previous videos and understood about different topics that I have been discussing. Today we will be dealing with factorization of algebraic expression. So let us start. Before knowing what is actually factorization, we need to know about certain things. Let us see what is those. Let us understand what is factors. All of you have done questions related to factors before. For example, if I ask you the factor of number 14, what will you tell me? You all know that a number has two fixed factors, that is 1 and itself. And there are some other numbers which completely divide the given number, and they are called the factors of the number. So you know that 14 is like it is 2 into 7 is 14. Is there any other combination that we have? No. So 2 and 7 are also the factors of 14. Similarly, when I talk about algebraic expression, if I tell you that 7ABC, this is a literal along with a number, an algebraic term. So what are the factors of these terms? It will be 7, A, B and C. Similarly, if I tell you 14 ABC, what are the factors of these terms? So we'll divide 14. So we'll not write 1 because it is factor of all the numbers. So this is 2, 7, then A, B and C. Then, for example, if we have a term 5x into x plus 5, what will be the factor of such a term? Now, this is multiplied. There is no symbol. That means it is multiplied with the whole term x plus 5. So, here the factor will be 5x and x plus 5. As there is an addition and this is taken as a single term. So these can be the three possible factors of this given term. Now, after understanding the basic concept of factors, let us know what is the highest common factor. Now, the HCF of two or more monomials can be expressed as the HCF of their numerical coefficient multiplied with the HCF of their literal coefficient. And what is the HCF of the literal coefficient? It will be the product of the each common literal raised to the lower power. For example, if we have to find the HCF of these two terms. So these are two terms and we have to find the HCF of these terms. So out of 6 and 8, what is the HCF of 6 and 8? You know it is 2. What is the HCF of the terms x square, y square and xy cube? So as x is raised to the power 2 and x is raised to the power 1 here, we will take the lowest term, lowest power. So here we will take x only one time. And as y is square and y is cube here, the lowest term for y will be y square. Therefore, what will be the HCF of this whole term? The HCF of the whole term will be 2 into xy square. So we don't write into, we can just write the term directly here. So it will be 2xy square. This is calculating the HCF of a normal monomial. Now, how do we use this concept in solving factorization? So you can see I have taken one question, 8xy cube plus 12x square y square. Now let us use this normal highest common factor way of solving it or finding out the common terms and factorizing the given polynomial. So for 8x and 12, let us see what will be our highest common factor. It will be 4. The HCF of 8 and 12 will be 4. Now out of the term xy cube and x square y square, we have to take the least. So out of x and x square we will take only 1x, and y cube and y2 to the power 2, so we will take y to the power 2. So we have got the common term, that will be 4xy square. Now we have to factorize this term. So process of finding two or more expressions whose product will be the given expression, that is factorization. So we have to multiply some terms here so that we get back the given question. So if 4xy square is removed from this term, what is left? 4 into 2, 8. X is already there, y cube is there. So we will just put one y plus, here 4 into 3 will give me 12. X is already there, but one more x is required, so x and square is already given here, so we need not write. So this becomes a factorized answer for this given term. We have taken the HCF of the terms, the numbers, the numeral coefficient as well as the literal, and that is taken out as a common here, and then we have multiplied the remaining part so that we can get a answer. One more simple question, that is 4x cube minus 6x square. So you know that HCF of 4 and 6 will be 2. Out of x cube and x square, what will be the lowest term? It will be x square. So how do I do it? I will take 2x square as common. What should I multiply to get 4? 2, and already it is cube and 2 are here, so I'll just take 1x minus, because here it is minus, and 3, because already x square is there. So when I open this, I will get the same expression. So this is a factorized form of this. Now I have taken a question with 3 terms. The algebraic expression here has 3 terms. Let us try to factorize using the normal common factor method. So what is the HCF of all the numerals here? 8, 6, 10. We will get it as 2. Then what will be the highest common factor of these terms? You can see power 3, power 2, power nothing means 1. So here we will take only one time. So what becomes our coefficient? 2x, 2 into x multiplied. So how do I factorize? I have to take 2x common and then put rest terms in the bracket. So if I take 2x is common, what will I take to multiply and get 8? I will need 4. X is once here, so I need 2 more x's so that it becomes x cube. Minus, as it is minus here, 2 into 3x plus 5. X is already there, so I need not write. So this becomes my factorized term. Similarly, a little more complex. It looks difficult, but it is again easy. You can see already that there is something common here, a minus 3b to the power 3 and a minus 3b to the power 1. So what will be the coefficient or the highest common of 14 and 21? It will be 7. Here p is there, here is p is not there, so we will not take that as common. So out of these two, a minus 3b cube and a minus 3b, what will be the highest common factor? The expression with the least power. So here the power is 1, so we'll take a minus 3b. Now again we will multiply 7 into a in bracket a minus 3b, and now when I solve it, 7 into 2 will give me 14, and already one time I have taken out, so the expression here will be a minus 3b to the power square minus 7 into 3b. So this becomes my expression for this given question. The next method of solving will be by grouping the terms. First method was by taking the common factors. Now here we will learn to group the terms so that we can easily solve it and factorize it. So here I have taken the question y square minus yz minus 5y plus 5z. So I can arrange the terms so that I can make in groups of 2's easily and try to factorize. So suppose you can see y is common here, and here 5 is common in these two terms. So let us just try to rearrange a bit. I can write y square minus 5y minus yz plus 5z. I've just rearranged. Now I am going to take common between these two. So y is common. So one more y will be needed, so that it becomes y square minus 5. Here negative. Again, what is common here? Z. So I write a z here and y. And now I need a plus here. So minus into minus will give me a plus. So I put a minus here. What is remaining? 5. So you can see I've got a common factor here. Y minus 5. Another factor will be this. Y minus z. So this becomes our answer for the given question. We are going to solve this question also using the method of regrouping the terms. So you can see here you will find 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. So let us rearrange them. We can write 3ax and 4bx here. We can get a common minus 6ay minus 8by. So in this I have x common, so I write 3a plus 4b, so that when I open I get this expression. Here again minus, what can be taken common? 6 and 8, so we can have the least common number 2 out, and then y is common. Then again we are left with 3a, and here I need a minus, so I need to put a plus here, otherwise minus minus will become positive. So I need a negative, so plus here, and then 4b. So as you can see I've got the common term 3a plus 4b, and the other factor will be x minus 2y. Okay, now let us take one more question and try the regrouping method. Here you can see already one term is in bracket. So let us see if we can get everything in that common factor using ax plus by. So suppose I get ax and I bring this by here in front. Then I have a square x plus aby minus this square means the term is actually in this form. So for your simplicity I'm just writing it in this form. So now what is common here? Nothing. So I'll just write 1 and write ax plus by. Here I have a common, so I'll write a outside, and then again ax will go in plus by will go in. So common, and already you can see this term is here. Ax plus by into ax plus by. So you can see now I've got ax plus by common in all, so I can take it out. And what is left here? 1 plus a, because I can multiply and I'll get the same numbers, same terms, which will become again this answer. And here it will be left with ax plus by. Now I put this in bracket for a reason, because many of you make mistake here. Without putting a bracket, when you write you forget to change the symbols. So ax plus by into or bracket 1 plus a minus, because minus was there I have to write minus ax and minus by. So this becomes my factorization. So without opening, because it was square, I just wrote it twice because the meaning of this will be same, and then I grouped the terms and factorized it. So this is the answer. Hope you have found all this easy and you will be able to solve your exercise questions. Feel free to ask me your doubts. Happy learning. Thank you.